BraillePen 24 allows blind computer and smartphone users to access and input information on these devices and fully operate them using screen reading software. The user reads from the 24-character Braille display on top of the device and uses the Perkins keyboard to type and navigate. Some Perkins key combinations represent characters, and some, usually a combination of the space key with other keys, are used for commands. When BraillePen 24 works with a screen reader software, this mode of operation is called terminal mode. Operating a complete mobile or personal device, a smartphone or a PC, requires too many operations. For example, going to the calendar app on your smartphone will require going home, browsing the app icons, and activating it. The developers of BraillePen 24 invented a mode of operation called application mode for that. It allows you to discreetly store essential data like email messages, calendars, tasks, contacts, and notes on your device. Reading and writing Braille is silent and protects the user's privacy. At the same time, it is easier for the user to access than using the screen reader. Most of the data in application mode is kept in BraillePen 24's internal memory and synchronized with the data on the server when the data on the server or on the device changes. BraillePen 24 uses an internet connection on a mobile device to maintain this functionality. A BraillePenSync app must be installed on the mobile device, paired with BraillePen 24, and logged into one or more servers, IMAP or Gmail. The following operations on the IMAP or Gmail server data are performed. Reading, creating, and moving between folders email messages. Displaying a list of the user's calendars. Reading scheduled events and creating new or editing existing events. Reading planned tasks, modifying them, and creating new tasks. Browsing contacts, creating new ones, and editing existing ones. Browsing and editing notes. Moving email messages to and from the trash. Permanently deleting notes and email messages. This video further demonstrates how the BraillePenSync app uses the OAuth procedure. First, it shows the steps required to connect the BraillePenSync app with a Google account and then shows the data used on the OAuth login screen. To connect the BraillePenSync app with a Google account, from the main screen of the BraillePenSync app choose Add Account. Select account type. If the account type is different to Google, give the account connection parameters in. Otherwise, acknowledge that you want to agree to allow BraillePenSync Universal to use google.com to sign in by clicking Continue. On the next Choose an Account screen, choose one of the accounts that the mobile device was used with or choose Use another account. Enter your password and press Next. The last screen before you allow BraillePenSync to access your Google account shows link to our privacy policy document. Link to the web page explaining the purpose of the process. The scope of access to data stored at Google account. BraillePenSync needs to be able to read, compose and delete, permanently, email from Gmail because that is what you want to do with the messages in your Braille device. For other types of data, that is, contacts, calendar events, tasks and notes, the app will have the same scope of access. All data composed in the Braille device will be created on a Google account by BraillePenSync during the following synchronization process. Similarly, deleting a message or note on your Braille device will cause an action of deleting a note on the Gmail account during the next synchronization. Cancel and continue buttons that you can alternatively choose to deny or give your consent. After the connections are defined, you don't need to worry about the BraillePenSync application on your phone. It may stay in the background, and all synchronization will not require any attention. You have to make sure it is running in the background. For example, you may need to restart it after you reboot your phone. When notes are synchronized, The Braille device's system time is also synchronized with the phone time. When you enter your note, email, contact or a task on the Braille device, it will also be created on your server when the next synchronization occurs. Whenever you delete a note or any other entry from your device, it will be deleted after a synchronization from the server. If you wish to delete an unused account from your device, go to the account list, choose the account to delete, and press the space +.1 +.4 +.5 command. This account will be deleted, and all data that existed there will disappear from your device. However, it will not disappear from the account's server, even after a synchronization.